Hello, I am RJ Yadav, Mechanical Department, GIMS Engineering College. Here I am going to deliver a lecture of the automobile engineering. In the continuation of my lecture of automobile engineering, it is my 8th lecture. Okay. Just wait. Some technical issues are there. Yes. The topic is here automatic transmission system which are used in your automobile engineering. Okay. Now come on the topic. What is automatic transmission system and why it is going to be the use nowadays? An automatic transmission system is a type of motor vehicle transmission actually that provides automatically different gear ratio between the engine crankshaft and the transmission output shaft. It is most advanced system in which drives mechanical effort are reduced very much and different speeds that you can obtain automatically. This system is generally also called hydromatic transmissions and it contains epicyclic gear arrangement. What is epicyclic gear train? The epicyclic gear train is a special type of gear train in which axis of the gears wheels rotate about the axis of other gears in addition to revolution around their respective axes. And one thing more, the axis of the rotation of one or more of the gear is carried on an arm and this arm is free to rotate about the axis of rotation of one or other gear in the train, as you also study it in your kinematics of the machine. Okay, that is used in the automatic transmission systems. Okay, and next one is the fluid coupling and the torque converter. In this, the planetary gear sets are placed in series to provide the transmission. This type of transmission actually are nowadays used in car like the Skoda, Toyota, etc. Okay. Yes, as we discussed about the epicyclic gear trends, what is and how it is works. Epicycle gearing, it is a gear system consists of one or more outer gears or planet gears revolving around a center bar, as you see in the your diagram. This is your planet shaft and planet carriers. This is your simple epicyclic gear set actually, and this is the block diagram. Actually this one is a shaft planets and it is a sun gear. Sun gear is here and planets. By using your epicyclic gears, different torque speed ratio you can be obtained. It also compact the size of the gearbox. Okay. What are the stages of the automatic transmission? First one is the park. Select the park mode which lock the transmission, thus restricting the vehicle from the moving. Second is the reverse. Selecting the reverse mode, put the car into the reverse gear, allowing the vehicle to move backward. Third one is the neutral. Selecting the neutral mode disconnects the transmission from the wheel. Fourth is a low L. Selecting the low mode will allow you to lower the speed to move on the hilly and midi areas. And last one is the drive. Selecting the drive mode allow the vehicle to move and accelerate through a range of gears. These are the actually the stages by which you can select what are the required, and accordingly you select you give the command to your automobile. Okay, now come on the basic difference between the what is the manual and what is the automatic transmission, and what is the comparison between these two. As you know, the manual transmission, as we discussed in previous lectures, that it is a manually operated means vehicle with the manual transmission are usually cheaper, cost is very low. Manual transmission has better fuel economy. This is because manual transmission has better mechanical and gear train efficiencies. Manual transmission offer the driver more control to the vehicles, whereas as if you compare it with the automatic transmission, you will get the following points. Vehicles with the automatic transmission are costlier. Why? Because so many extra parts are available and arranged, that why it is costlier than the manual transmissions. Automatic transmission has not better fuel economy. This is because the automatic transmission has not better mechanical and gear train efficiency as compared to those of the automatic transmission. Automatic transmission does not offer the driver more control of the vehicle as compared to the the manual transmission system. Okay, these are all about the automatic transmission system.